Welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about tent and RV camping and how you can enjoy these fantastic outdoor activities at discounted prices thanks to off-season deals and clearance-priced equipment. Tent camping is all about creating a cozy, comfortable environment away from home in the great outdoors. Tents come in many different styles and sizes, and there is a right one for everyone. It's always nice to find the right camping gear to make your next outdoor adventure memorable. Now, let's talk about RV camping. RV camping is an excellent way to experience nature's beauty, while also having the convenience of a home on wheels. Deciding what RV or travel trailer is right for you and your family should take some homework and research. Many people prefer RV camping for its conveniences. Regardless of how you decide to camp, we encourage you to try and find what is best for you and your family and friends, so that you can enjoy your time outdoors and have memorable camping experiences when you're camping. Nothing beats the warmth and joy of a campfire. RV and tent campers alike can gather around the crackling campfire to fellowship and roast marshmallows while sharing stories under the stars. And, of course, no camping experience is complete without delicious food. Be sure to explore camping recipes or come up with your own. Remember, there is no limit to your imagination. Also, many campgrounds have activities such as hiking, camping, biking, and other activities, so there always seems to be something for everyone. So, if you're looking to make the most of your camping experience, don't hesitate to explore off-season deals, clearance-priced equipment, and even used gear before retailers start marking the prices up closer to spring. These opportunities can make your outdoor adventures affordable and more memorable than ever. Thanks for watching and happy camping.